Alright everyone, and welcome to yet another unboxing video. This is my gaming PC setup monitor. So there are several videos. I'll have the gaming PC setup in the next video, but this is just part one of several unboxing and setup videos. So until next time, take care. Peace out. Alright, the stand, I guess, the bottom of the stand. As usual, HDMI cable and a power strip. Okay, let's get the box open. This is the manual, and okay, that's part 2 of the stand. I guess that's the stand, and then that was the base. Alright. Okay, it's easy as just that. That's how that attaches. Now let's get the monitor fixed up. That looks cool. Alright, that's the monitor snap. Now let's get the power strip on. And though I will show you the entire monitor refresh rate and everything. This is just the unboxing of it because I haven't had my PC set up yet, so that'll be later. Let's see. Warning. Okay, we shall not. Alright everyone, thank you for watching. Until next time, take care. Peace out.